Welcome to Bolunar Adventures for another 3-minute maintenance campervan tutorial. We often find when we're not using the van for any length of time that the van battery goes flat. Got any way that you know of to trickle charge the van battery from the solar setup? Let us know in the comments. Battery's not been dead that long. We normally just use a jump pack just to get it going again and get us back on the road. So this tutorial is how we use our jump pack. It's just one that we picked up from Amazon. The brand name is TOPDON, but I'm pretty sure there's quite a few out there. There's a sneak peek at the inside of our self-build family campervan. Keep it with us at all time because it does come in handy. There has been occasions where the van battery's been dead while we've been travelling, and we've had to rely on our neighbours for jump leads and things like that, so that's when we picked up this jump pack. So if you just grab hold of the jump pack and release the bonnet release and open the bonnet until it catches, we're looking for this piece inside the bonnet or under the bonnet in the engine compartment, and that is the positive terminal. This is what we'll be using. This is the jump starter, and we need to plug the leads with the crocodile clips in here where it says engine start. So just peel that back and you can see that the plug and socket are shaped, so you can only plug this plug in one direction, making sure that the positive terminal goes to the red crocodile clip and the negative terminal goes to the black crocodile clip. So bring it up, put it in the engine bay so you've got close access to be able to clip the crocodile clips where they need to go. Line the spines up on this red positive terminal to expose the metal. This then goes directly to the positive terminal on the battery, and then the negative one just needs to ground on any part of the van body. And then cycle the ignition. Do this a couple of times, I always do anyway, and it gives the glow plugs a good chance to warm up if the van's not been used for a while. And then just turn the ignition on and that's it. It's as simple as that. Like and subscribe if you're getting anything from the video. Once the van's back up and running, you can disconnect the crocodile clips from the terminals in the engine compartment. And if you're using jump leads to another van or jump pack with longer leads, this is a negative terminal directly to the body or the chassis of the van. You can use that. But we're all done, so just unplug the crocodile clips and then keep your finger on the power button on the jump pack itself to power it down. And that's it, we're all done. There's also a light on this pack so it can be used in the dark with no problem, and it just needs recharging by a USB to USB-C charger, so it can be done off the van or off the mains any way you like. Check out the rest of the videos in the series and we'll see you in a video really soon. Thanks for checking in, bye for now.